Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to connect interactive brokers to MetaTrader 5 in a really simple way. If this helps you out, hit like so more people can find it. First, make sure you have an interactive brokers account and that trading permissions are enabled. Then download and install Trader Workstation, or TWS, from Interactive Brokers. Open TWS, go to the settings, and find the API section. You need to enable API access. Look for a checkbox like Enable ActiveX and Socket clients. Also, allow connections from your computer, usually local host if you're using the same machine. Next, open MetaTrader 5. MT5 doesn't connect to IBKR natively, so you'll need a third-party bridge that supports interactive brokers. Install the bridge, then enter your IBKR login and port settings, typically 7497 for paper accounts or 7496 for live accounts. Once connected, MT5 will start receiving live market data and allow you to place trades through your interactive broker's account. Before you go live, test everything in a paper account. Make sure prices update correctly, orders go through, and nothing freezes. Once it's all smooth, you can trade with your real account confidently. That's it. Connecting interactive brokers to MetaTrader 5 is easier than most people think. If this helps you save time, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.